Howdy peeps, what's up? Welcome back to another killer ZacBaldy video. No idea what I'm talking about, but how good is this? We got Alex's car back in today. Alex just sitting over there. Say hi, Alex. Hi. Hello. We have Tonya over here. Say hi, Tonya. Hi. Okay, this is a really weird intro, but today we're going to be doing Alex's side skirts. You wanted to do this for a while now, hey? Yeah. Yeah, he's fixing things currently. We don't know what happened, but is it fixed? No. I'm so confused as to what's happened. But yeah, if you guys remember, last week when we did the side skirts on the R33, they turned out sick, which is awesome. I grabbed like 30,000 self-tappers, and we're going to be using the other 15,000 that I didn't use in my car in Alex's car today. So, one of the first things we did was we've gone out and we've measured how wide you want the side skirts, and they were like 7 at the front, 10 at the back? Yes. Fishing rods. So pretty much what we're going to do today, we're going to do the side skirts out of the same things that we did the splitters from. Now, with the FGs, they have this stupid annoying curve that dips in, looks like it's been in like a side-on impact, and then comes all the way back out, and it gets wider at the back. So if you guys can kind of see, this is what it's sort of like, it sticks out that far. At the very front, it bends in like crazy. So, it actually goes out 3 centimeters all the way back out, which is so annoying. So, what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna start it down the front at 7 centimeters and go all the way out to a 10. Now, the worst thing is the fact that these boards that we have over here, they are 120 centimeters long. And so that means, because these are 204 centimeters long, that we had to work out a perfect midway point that we could do this. So, using my ingenious math skills in Siri, I worked out that the front was 7, the back was 10, and the whole car was 204 centimeters long, and one sheet was 120. So then I worked out that this side here has to be 76 centimeters long. So even though this is at an angle, I just realized I made a mistake, but this is 76 centimeters, but because it's on an angle, it's going to be a little bit longer. So we're just going to cut that to 78. That's going to keep a really sort of uniform line all the way through. Now, the one thing is I needed the length of this right here because we need to go 120 centimeters and then mark how long it's going to be. So then it's finding out how much 120 is a percentage of 204, which is 58, and then 58% of 3, which is the difference between these two, is like 1.74, and that's how we went from 7 to 8.74. So that way we could go from 7 to 8.74, and then from 7, and then 8.74 to 10 centimeters. Quick maths.
Long maths, but
quick maths. And if someone had a better equation than I did, please let me know in the comments, because I did Maths B and I'm always here to learn, you know. I'm always here to learn and learn off you guys and never do Maths B again, ever. I've never used it. I was like, oh my god, the first time I'm ever going to use trigonometry, and then I realized it's a quadrilateral and not a triangle. And now I'm going off into a tangent. I'm sorry, Tonya, walking at a weird time.
You're okay.
Yeah, I've been talking for the past 15 minutes about how annoyed I am. Anyway, let's just cut stuff.
Let's start. Are you finished doing whatever you were doing?
I think so, man. Maybe you should take the camera today. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Nah, we're
sat down.
rightio.
Holy not straight. We're already off to a bad start.
Oh no. Rightio. So Alex managed to cut out everything with a razor.
Razor blade.
That's it. So we didn't have to worry about jigsawing or anything, and everything matches up perfectly. We've cut out
straight.
All 4 sides, amazingly all straight. We managed to cut out all 4 sides. The best thing is that this is 55.8, that's 55.9. So literally we're out by a mil on each side, which is shameful.
I can't believe it.
Can't believe it.
Look good up.
No, these look so sick. Wait, which one's a thick one? Which one's a thin? These are both thin, aren't they?
Those are the thin boys. And...
That's a thick. No, this is a thin.
Yes, this is the
yes.
front.
So.
That way.
Yeah. And if they fit up perfectly, look at that. Bruh, that looks so sick.
Bruh.
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 That looks cool. I like it.
I like it.
I like it.
I'm keen.
Same. Alright, let's chuck some self-tappers in it.
Ooh, keen.
Alrighty, let's do it. I'm keen.
How's it look?
Good, actually. It's a good width.
Yeah, not bad.
I like it. I like the way it just sort of has its own width and just keeps going. Excellent. So very much like the Skyline, this one here, we just marked off the end of it and that was perfect. So, wow, it was super easy.
Yeah.
I like the 3mm stock better now.
Yeah, well, we can't buy this one anymore, the 6mm, because it was on clearance and they don't sell it anyway. It's discontinued clearance. That was
sorry, everyone. Your boy, your boy hooked us all up with a discontinued product. So,
yes.
My apologies. But no, this 3mm stuff actually works like really well, and it doesn't look too different on the sides there. Like it is noticeably thinner, but if you were to get like a edging, like a red edging or something around your car, it'd be really cool. Oh yeah, just do it sort of nearby.
Do it nearby.
Yeah, around about that, something like that. You know what I mean?
Let's go around the roundabout.
Yeah.
I need to help hold it.
No.
Okay.
The men have this.
Do they? Do they really?
No, they do not.
That jack's looking a bit fine, isn't it, mate? Getting pretty close.
I know, it's...
Oh man, I don't want to jack the car up again. That's a bit annoying.
Oh, yeah.
Let's jack it up in a different spot,
We
hey?
have to move.
Let's do that, yeah. If you guys couldn't tell from the start of the video, ooh, what was that?
Keep going.
Sick.
That was my suspension that isn't seated properly.
Oh, is it actually?
Yeah.
Oh, fair call.
That's alright.
Is that high enough there?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, let's go up a few more for the height of the self-tapper.
Okay, I think it's up.
Beautiful.
When you said it's up, so it's up.
Sick. I keep pointing the camera at you randomly. I don't know why.
You were in a weird mood.
I don't know. I'm in a weird mood. I'm tired. I need some sleep. I need pancakes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh,
Could I make some after this?
yes.
When Sarah gets home. Done.
How to
Excellent.
make pancake video coming soon.
Dude, I make the
Comment in the comments.
best pancakes.
He does.
You do. It's a
You
re-
make the best pancakes though.
Thanks. I know.
There's
Hear that, guys? The best. Coming from a female too.
And pregnant.
And pregnant. Wow, that's really prestigious. By the way, guys, this isn't a how-to. If you guys haven't realized, I'm just talking stuff while Alex holds up a side skirt with his head while I lean on the Skyline. I can't believe you're. Wow, that's amazing. How is he doing this? Have you seen the way that he's doing this, Tonya? I really could be helping, but
No,
look, he's holding up the rest of the side skirt with his head. I'm just standing here filming him, just going, "What are you doing?" This is brilliant.
No one's helping you. Look at everything.
Look at
There's
everything
two of us-
go.
There's two other people here, and we could all be helping. This
Yeah,
drill
well-
bit is annoying the hell out of me. Like, look at this. Every other drill just. Oh wow! Now it's done.
Now you see, she's pregnant, so she can't get down, and I'm holding a camera. So this is, yeah, just not going to work for us both. I'm sorry.
missed that before.
Yeah. Oh, that looks sick. I like that. I dig that. You should come out and have a look. Looks good. It kind of like tapers in nicely with the back wheel on the front. Looks good. Yeah. I like it. Yeah, I like it.
I need to clean the car, but still.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so annoying how just so far in that is there, but that's fine.
It's weird because it's a lot thicker there.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's only because the car, it bows in and then back out. But apart from that, it looks great. Sweet, let's turn around and get the other side. Hell yeah. Looks good, man. I like it.
Same.
I like it. That was so quick and easy. Considering I didn't do any other work. Quick little startup. Sounds good. I'm glad you're keeping the exhaust.
Oh, I think.
That's okay. That's alright. We'll be able to get that all up off the green.
It's
just water.
Something else.
Yeah, it's just like carbon and water.
Right.
Yeah, it's nothing. That'll come out easy. Chelsea washers, do they work? You fixed it.
Yeah.
Easy done. I'm glad it works. Dude, it looks so fat now. Holy. Woo.
Fatty says.
Dude, I like that.
How else can we use Bunnings thing?
What's up, guys? I really appreciate everyone for watching this video. I know it was a little bit all over the shop, but I've just been kind of trying to relax and just do the videos that I don't know, I'm just sort of casually doing at the moment. We're still just in the middle of like some downtime between when the R33 gets its link installed, gets tuned, and then off to the track it goes. And the Falcon is currently waiting for some tyres and waiting to get back on the track. So I'm just kind of trying to fill up a couple of weeks of content here, but I hope you guys have really been enjoying it. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.